Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making an easy version of tteokbokki. Well, this is easy compared to the last video I put out on this spicy Korean rice cake street food snack. It is very easy to make, and at the request of one of my viewers, they asked for a simplified version, so here you go. Okay, to start, I am going to make a broth. This is 1.5 cups of hot water, and I'm going to be using the mushroom flavored Dashida. This is a mushroom seasoning, kind of like a bouillon powder. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons into my water. Give it a mix, and this is the broth I'm going to use for my rice cakes. Okay, so I'm going to be preheating my pan on a medium to medium low heat. I'm going to add around 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. And sesame oil does not have a high smoke point, so I'm going to be very quick with this. Here I have the whites of 2 green onions that I chopped, and I'm going to saute them quickly. Now I'm going to add my broth. You could also use chicken broth if you have it. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of gochujang. This is a Korean red pepper paste. And the amount is up to you. If you want things less spicy, start with 1 tablespoon. If you want more spice, then, add more. Okay, now that that's combined, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. By the way, for those of you that ask, I purchased this at my local Korean grocery store, H Mart. If I find a link for it online, I'll put it in the description below. This is simmering, so now I'm going to add 1 pound of Korean rice cakes. These were fresh from the grocery store, but if you have the frozen kind, you'll want to rinse them in cold water and soak them. Okay, I'm going to add just 1/4 cup more of water. Just like that. So in all, I used 1 3/4 cup of water, and you can adjust the Dashida to that, but 2 teaspoons of Dashida in that amount of water works. So just make sure the rice cakes are coated and submerged. Now I'm going to add the green part of my green onion or scallions right on top. Cover it with the lid and let it gently simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. And I'm using a low heat. Okay, so it has been around 3 minutes or so. Just watch it. You don't want it to boil out of control, but it is simmering. So these are very soft. So this is basically an easy recipe for tteokbokki. But what I like to do, which is optional, is add cheese. I'm going to add fresh mozzarella cheese. This was in a ball and I just sort of broke it up with my hands, and I'm just going to add it right on top. And if you want a mac and cheese version of this, I will link that below this video. That's why my kid loves it, because he doesn't really like a lot of spice. So now I'm going to cover with the lid. I'm going to turn it off and just let it sit there for about 1 minute until it gets all melty and gooey. Okay, you guys, so here is the tteokbokki, and I am going to put this on the table. My family is ready to eat it. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. You want to try? Is it good? Okay, I'm going to assume that you like it.